Welcome to Tamilarasi Stories.
A new bedtime story every night at 7 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe. Once upon a time, in a lush bamboo forest, lived two panda friends named Pip and Pop. Pip and Pop were inseparable. They loved to play hide and seek amongst the bamboo trees and share delicious bamboo shoots. One sunny day, Pip and Pop decided to meet for a picnic by the river. But when they reached the river, they found out that the bridge was broken. "Oh no!" cried Pip. "How will we cross?" "Don't worry, Pip," said Pop. "We can fix it together." Pip and Pop worked together, collecting strong branches and sturdy rocks to rebuild the bridge. They hammered the branches into place and carefully placed the rocks to make a strong base. Finally, the bridge was strong enough to cross. Pip and Pop crossed the bridge, happy and proud of their teamwork. They had a wonderful picnic by the river and enjoying the beautiful view and each other's company. They learned that when they worked together, they could overcome any obstacle and have a great time doing it. Moral of the story is, teamwork makes the dream work. When we work together, we can achieve amazing things. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.
Nandri.